Welcome! Today we're bringing you
the best kitchen gadgets.
We select for you the best gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. If you wanna buy any of them, the product link is in the description. Subscribe and watch this video till the end to discover the amazing gadgets world. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
What is the truth about life? It is not long ago that I finally realized life is a gorgeous banquet. Less is more. For example, life should be simple. All of your upset can be done in one click and could be full of nutrition. It's a beautiful day. Hey cook, enjoy my life. Home essentials, live comfortable.
How does Calphalon self-sharpening cutlery stay so sharp? Whatever it is, they automatically sharpen every time you use them. New self-sharpening cutlery from Calphalon.
Introducing new Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Nonstick Cookware. Cookware that stacks securely to save 30% more space. The unique handle design allows pots, pans, and lids to stack and nest in any order, and each pan is metal utensil safe. New Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Cookware. Secure stacking that saves 30% more space. Nothing else stacks up to it.
Calphalon knows that a precise extraction temperature is critical to brewing the best coffee. The new Calphalon Special Brew Coffee Maker extracts 20% more flavor. It all starts with a premium boiling system that delivers the precise temperature required to brew the perfect cup. You can personalize the strength and flavor of your coffee and program brewing to begin whenever you want. The Fresh Brew Timer keeps coffee warm for up to 4 hours while the hot plate is non-stick, non-scorching, and easy to clean. Calphalon Appliances. For perfect grilling results, Calphalon knows that the key is even heat. The new Calphalon Even Sear Multi-Grill delivers 20% more even heat for better searing performance. It has both grill plates and flat plates, easy to change, scratch resistant, and 11 times more durable. It opens 180 degrees for plenty of grilling area, while the floating hinge provides increased versatility, durable metal construction, and even heat for perfect grilling results. Calphalon Appliances.
This is the Dash Safe Slice Mandolin. Mandolins are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolins have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice Mandolin, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandolin provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandolin makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandolin. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash Safe Slice Mandolin.
Making homemade yogurt is now easy and fun with the Dash Yogurt Maker. The Dash Yogurt Maker features 7 individual glass jars. To start, add milk and just a little bit of starter yogurt. Pour the mixture into the 7 glass jars. Set your timer and cover. you're ready to start making your very own homemade yogurt delights. Get creative with fun flavors and the Dash 7-jar yogurt maker. Dash, unprocess your food.